Hey everybody, Andrea Anderson, ASBAS advisor for the Australian Small Business Advisory Services Program, a federally funded program designed to support, guide and advise all businesses on everything marketing. And I have the absolute privilege to be able to bring to you a 2-hour workshop on everything digital, thanks to the foresight of the Fraser Coast Regional Council and in partnership with RDA Brisbane. Now, what's going to be involved in that 2-hour workshop, you ask? Well, essentially, I'm going to take you through the A to Z's of everything marketing and, where possible, attempt to unbundle the chaos and the confusion that is marketing. So, what are we going to be talking about? Well, very simple tips, hints and tricks around things like what is SEO, what is CPC, PPC, what type of posting should I be doing? Do I need Facebook? Do I need Snapchat, Twitter? What about a website? What kind of website should I be building? And more importantly, how do I speak and communicate effectively and efficiently with my potential customers so that they become raving fans for me? And a whole lot more. Now, what's going to be happening on the 21st of November? It's a 2-hour workshop, and I'm going to be encouraging you to come along. Bring your questions, because I love it when I speak to people like yourself every day asking hundreds of questions. So what are we going to do here? Quite simply, within that 2-hour period, we're going to hopefully educate you and provide you with some ideas, some tips, simple tips and strategies that you can implement to create marketing success for you. So where are we going to be? We're going to be in Maryborough in the morning of 21st of November. And then in the afternoon, I'm going to have the absolute privilege of talking to businesses in the Hervey Bay area. So if you've been considering looking at your marketing for 2020, you need to sign in, register, so that I have the opportunity to be able to assist you as best as I possibly can. So my name's Andrea Anderson. If you wish to check out a little bit more about me and who I am, please feel free to go to asbas.rdabrisbane.org.au and you'll have the opportunity to read more about me. More importantly, I'm looking forward to seeing you on the 21st of November. Take care and have a fabulous day. Bye for now.